Hello, and welcome to my participation assignment submission for MTM4085 Web Media. This is an assignment where we basically participate in three online areas that could benefit an end user in any way. So, as you can see on the screen currently, I have the new application from Apple called Apple Maps. This has been around on iPhone and iPad iOS devices for quite a while now, but in the past year it actually got released onto the desktop platform in Mavericks. The problem that I have with Apple Maps is that the points of interest on the map are very inaccurate. So for my first participation submission, I've actually corrected one of the areas around Algonquin College called Chances Are. It's a nice little restaurant establishment. It was completely off from where it actually is on the map, so I went ahead and corrected that and submitted it to Apple. As you can see on the screen now, for my second participation submission, I'm answering a Yahoo Answers question, which is basically, how can I kick this person off of my wireless network? They could be downloading something, slowing down my internet connection speed. So I basically went ahead and answered this question by saying, you might want to log into your router's administration console using the default password and username if they probably haven't changed it. And I gave them a few tips on what they might be and how to actually get to the administration console by IP address within the web browser. I went ahead and submitted this answer to this Yahoo question, and I hope it benefits to that user when they do see it. And lastly, for my third participation submission, I actually went ahead and corrected another somewhat point of interest using Foursquare. I've been using Foursquare for many years now, so I try to help out as much as I can with the service by correcting locations that are inaccurate. In this case, for my example, I used a brand new tech startup in the Ottawa area called Open Software. They recently actually just moved campuses. They used to be within the Byward Market on York Street, but once again, they moved over to Catherine Street. So I went ahead and went to their website, found their new location, and basically edited their point of interest location within Foursquare. So any users who want to check in to Open Software when they're visiting or going to work, they can.